Is it a new one?
No,
No? It's a used one, yeah? I see, I see. How much is it?
that one 35.
How much?
35.
35. How much the animal? $1?
$1.
Can I get two by $1? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, bro. Sekarang gue lagi ada di pasar loaknya Amerika lagi, sekali lagi, bro. Karena banyak teman-teman yang request pasar loak di Amerika seperti apa. Ntar gue bakalan tawar-tawar barang. Mudah-mudahan dapat good deal sekarang, bro. Video yang kemarin luar biasa mantep nih. Thank you so much, bro. Kita lihat apa yang gue dapat di hari ini, oke? Let's go. Hai, sekarang ini minggu pagi, gua mau cari barang, siapa tahu dapat emas kita di sini nih. Oke, langsung kita masuk ya. Pasar loak ini lokasinya di Concord, California. Untuk masuk ke dalam kita harus bayar tiket, harganya $1.25. Kebetulan gua udah lama banget nggak kesini, jadi kayak nostalgia gitu deh. Halo, for one. Sure, thank you. Thank you. Di pasar loak ini lu bisa nemuin barang macem-macem. Dari orang jualan mobil, jualan tanaman, jualan baju, pokoknya banyak, bro. Di sini juga ada barang baru sama barang bekasnya. Jadi lu harus cari sesuatu emas di tumpukan-tumpukan ini. Nah, tuh lihat, ada perlengkapan barang-barang dari tentara. Di sini sebenarnya berasa nggak kayak di Amerika, tapi lebih kayak di Amerika Latin, di Meksiko gitu. Coba lihat orang-orangnya di sini, kayaknya pendatang-pendatang semua nih kayak kita. Pasar loak di sini atau swap meet ini banyak jual barang-barang kayak sepatu-sepatu basket gini. Ini sepatu Air Jordan, ada sepatu Nike. Nah ini nih, ini adalah Air Jordan yang awal-awal, yang dulu gue pengen banget punya ini. Ada di sini juga. Oke, coba deh kita tanya-tanya berapa harganya. Is it new one?
No,
No, it's a used one, yeah.
yeah,
Oh, okay. But it looks new.
yeah, look,
Yeah. Only one size?
only 11.
Only 11. Ah, I see.
For the same guy.
I see. How much is it?
That one 35.
How much?
35.
35. Oh, okay. Is it legit? The new one? Or
Oh yeah,
original?
original.
Oh, 30.
Somebody collector, the same size.
Oh, I see. Get it. Oh, everything here original here?
Original. Yeah. This one 150, 100,
Oh, okay.
40, 60,
Oh, it's for 60. And all used, is it?
150. Yeah.
Oh,
The same guy, the same owner.
Oh, I see. It looks new for me, this.
Yeah, he put it only like 3 times, 2 times. That's it.
Oh, okay. So you have like a 10 and a half?
No, only 11.
Only 11? Everything 11?
Everything 11.
Alright. Oke then, thank you so much. Tadi ada sepatu-sepatu basket gitu keren-keren banget, bro. Cuman ukurannya itu kegedean. Waduh, ya udahlah, harganya itu murah gitu. Cuma $35. Cuman gue itu nggak tahu, bro. Itu tuh apa asli apa enggak. Waduh, ya udah males lah belinya. Karena tapaknya itu masih kayak bersih-bersih gitu, bro. Waduh, yaudah kita lihat lagi yang lain, bro ya. I'm good. How about you?
Good.
Alright. You still doing furniture right now?
Yes.
Ibu ini adalah penjual furniture langganan kita. Gua beli meja makan, kursi, segala macem dari dia, harganya miring, dan dia mau ngantarin ampe ke rumah kita. Jadi masih kenal nih.
Yeah, okay. But it looks like another stuff also. It's a lot of gear.
I only have those furnitures over there today.
Oh, okay.
I
So
don't
it's not
buy
much
stores.
furniture for you. So you get it this one from the auction, is it?
No,
From the
no, I get the houses for the stage, for real estate.
oh.
They sold the house and people they want to sell everything, then I go buy them.
So there is like a someone move out and after that they're gonna sell it, is it?
Yeah.
See. That's cool. All right. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you,
Have a good
thank
day.
you, bye bye. Bro, belum dapet gue sekarang nih. Tapi gue tadi malah ketemu sama orang yang biasa gue beli dulu furniture di sini. Jadi gue itu suka beli bro di sini bro. Dulu kayak beli macem-macem lah. Dan di belakang gue tuh ada orang jualan baju murah banget bro, cuma $1. Ini baju-baju bekas kayak gitu. Waduh, cuman baju-baju cewek aja bro. Kita nggak make-make kayak gitu. Dan kalau baju gue kayak gimana gitu bro ya. Coba kita lihat aja bro ya. Is it all everything for a girl? There's no for men?
No, not for men.
No, for men? Ah, I get it. For ladies, everything, yeah?
Yeah.
I see. So $1 each only. Wow, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you get it from a Goodwill, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Francisco.
San Francisco Goodwill. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but in Goodwill, kind of like expensive over there. I mean, it's kind of like a little bit more price. Yeah? Alright. So you get a good deal then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good deal. Yeah.
I see. Wow, I hope there is time for a man. So next time bring for a man then.
Yeah.
Okay, very good price. I like the animal. Okay, how much the animal?
$1.
$1. Oh. Can I get two by $1? No.
Normally I sell for $2. Today it's very slow.
Oh, okay. All right. So you getting this one from where is it?
From Thailand.
From Thailand.
No
Oh.
one have this. I the only one that have.
Oh, you only one. So you're from Thailand? Wow.
They invite me here.
Oh, is that?
I work in the high tech. I'm engineer, semiconductor.
All right.
Waduh, kaget gua. Ternyata penjualnya engineer juga. Waduh, yaudah kita tanya lagi ya.
So they send me here.
Oh.
They have the factory in Thailand. They send me.
Oh, I see. So you're doing like something like electronics, something like that?
I pioneer that build the semiconductor.
Oh, okay.
They build a factory in Thailand.
All right.
But I retire early. I hate it.
Oh, see. Oh, you already retired.
Oh, I retire early. I retire for 25 years.
All right. Let me get this one of this. So it's $1. You said one of this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. I hope everything is good today for the business. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank
Good
you so
luck for
much.
you.
Thank you. Hari ini belum dapat banyak bro, gue cuma dapat mainan 2. Ini juga gara-gara tadi orangnya udah gue bawa ngobrol. Terus ya udahlah kita belilah bro, iba gue bro sama dia bro, karena dia bilang tadi benar-benar sekarang lagi bad business. Jadi ya udahlah kita bantu lah bro, pedagang-pedagang kecil kayak gini ya, mudah-mudahan lah. Dan dia engineer juga gue denger. Aduh mantep ya. Nah, di hari ini kita belum dapat banyak bro, tapi di belakang masih banyak banget nih tempat-tempat yang lain nih. Sebenarnya gue itu nyari kalau ada kayak kabel-kabel, tempat-tempat buat kayak video-video gitu atau mainan-mainan buat anak bro. Waduh, kita lihat di belakang bro ya. Terus bro, ikutin terus bro. All free here, all the stuff.
Everything right there, including that little whatever thing is.
Oh, is it?
Roller, man.
Okay. So what happened is the close of
You and that having too much clothes.
oh, it's too much clothes and it's free now. All right.
It's time to bye.
Alright. let me get some. Can I get this?
Basket, yes. It's free.
Oh, okay.
When you put that in the bag.
Oh yeah. Yes, put it here.
Ini nggak tahu gue mimpi apa, bener-bener hari yang nggak keduga. Udah dapat gratis, dikasih plastik gratis lagi sama orangnya. Super duper baik nih orangnya nih.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Emang rezeki anak soleh emang bro ya. Gue dikasih barang-barang gratis bro. Waduh banyak banget. Ada baju-baju segala macam. Cuman gue ngambil baju. Cuman gue ngambil nih rak-rak kayak gini nih. Aduh alhamdulillah banget. Ini rak bisa lumayan berguna banget nih buat anak-anak taruh buku, taruh segala macam. Waduh. Jangan-jangan kita harus berburu barang-barang yang gratis sebelah sini bro. So how much then we can make a deal?
How many?
15.
No.